Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everyone that is listening to my tutorials. This is Brutech. Brutech is specialized in computer programming. And in the first place, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to apologize for being silent for quite some time. We did, if I recall very well, we came up an initiative to be doing some refresh courses, of which we came up with a platform, which is a WhatsApp group, and I also created a Moodle where we said we'll be teaching ourselves whenever the need arises. And we said we'll identify some courses or subjects or topics where we said or where we feel we need to revisit those areas. And in this tutorial, ladies and gentlemen, I have prepared some questions that I feel we should go through together. And to begin with, let me open the question. These are the tutorial questions that I have prepared, and we are going to go through these questions together. Let me invite David from Microsoft to help me read the questions. Okay, David, I call upon you. Hello, David.
Welcome to Brutech Tutorials. Keep calm and learn programming. Object-oriented programming with C++. Tutorial 1. Questions. Write a program that will request the year of birth of the user. Once entered / provided via the keyboard, the program should then print out a message to indicate the value that was entered.
That's question 1.
Write a program that requests the user for their year of birth. The program should then store the value provided before it proceeds to calculating the user's age. Once calculated, the program should then print out the calculated age of the user. Write a program that requests the user to enter their age. Once the value is entered, it should then be stored. The program should then proceed to determine whether the user is eligible to vote or not according to the laws of Zambia. Below is a rate card for a full maintenance service for a mechanic who fixes vehicles within the city of Ndela. Brand of vehicle. Amount. Toyota ZMW 3,600. Mitsubishi ZMW 7,540. BMW ZMW 19,000. Mercedes-Benz ZMW 16,800. Any other 10,000. You are required to write a menu-driven program that asks the user to enter the choice / option that matches their type of car. Once the user has entered the option, the program should then print out the amount of money the user should expect to pay for the servicing of their car. You are required to use nested if statements to implement this solution. The same question as question 4, only that this time around you are required to use a switch statement. Write a program that prints out the first 10 prime numbers using a loop. Write a program that uses a for loop to calculate the factorial of a number that a user provides via the keyboard. Write a program that uses a do while loop to calculate the factorial of a number that a user provides via the keyboard. Write a program that uses a user-defined function called myExponential to calculate the value of the following expression, xy, where x is a floating point value and y an integer provided by the user at runtime. MyExponential is a function that is expected to take in two arguments, or parameters, i.e. the value of x and that of y. Write a program that allows the user to capture details of a student record. A student record consists of the following pieces of data: student's ID number, first name, address, and the year of study at the college. You are expected to use a structure to store the details that will be provided by the user at runtime.
Okay, thank you so much, David. And ladies and gentlemen, we have seen the questions that have been presented before you, and in this tutorial we are first going to go through question 1 as a demo, as part of our demonstration for this evening. So question 1, let's read it once again.
Write a program that will request the year of birth of the user. Once entered / provided via the keyboard, the program should then print out a message to indicate the value that was entered.
Thank you, David. Okay, so there we need first to identify the tools that we are going to use, and in this tutorial we are going to use Dev, C++ and the code block. So we are going to use one of these tools. So let's try to use maybe Dev C++. So let's try to open it. Okay, once it opens, we are going to see an interface like this. So we select new. So new, it gives us a platform or an environment where we are going to write our codes. So we are going to write our codes in 10 lines. So the first thing, we start with the pound. First type the pound. So include pound include. So I want you to be following me nicely. Pound include. Want to check something. Want to check for something. Just a moment. How is my network? My network. I couldn't connect. Pound. Okay, my hotspot was off. Just a moment. I'm trying to reconnect. Okay, to automatically pick up. Okay, it has picked up. Still connect. Oh wow, it's connected. So we are saying pound include. That's in line 1. Pound include IO stream. In line 2. Line 2, we're going to say using namespace standard. Namespace standard. std namespace standard, then